Hey guys, so I want to show you how to use TutorMeet. So you go to your training tab and click TutorMeet Training, and then click the session, the first session. You got to copy this link, and then you're going to open a new tab, paste the link there, click enter, and then this will pop up. It's basically what it would look like if you were in a class, if you started a session, but no one is in there. It's just going to be blank. Then you're going to enter your name and click allow. Once you are in the session, it will start loading. If the materials are not downloading, just exit and try it again. I've had that happen before where they might not download, but just give it a chance to download. It just takes a few seconds. And then you can start playing around. Click the arrow and you see that you get this little tool. It's like a pointer. You click that little 4 arrow and it's an arrow that follows along as you read, so you can kind of show your students where you're at. This you can just write with. I'm just going to say hi. I don't know why it's downloading, kind of weird. Okay, so you can write to your students on here, happy face. Click along. You can highlight. This is the highlight tool. Draw a line, a straight line. Draw a triangle. You know, if you have kids, you might want to do some fun shapes. Circles, and so on. Then you can clear your screen with the little trash can icon, add some little emojis, emoticons, pictures. You can move those around. Again, you can click delete or undo. The little back arrow will take it away. You can switch pages with this, jump ahead. You can do a clapping hand sound. One thing that's not showing in here is the stars. Here you can upload images or upload materials. So if you add something from the internet, you can have a stack of cards that you want to add in. You do have to make sure it's a certain title though. It can't just be, so see how it doesn't let certain files be added? You have to have a title to it, is at least what I noticed with Mac. And then you can add it to the last page wherever you want. I have this little thank you page in Chinese that someone else shared with me, and you can put your picture on there and you can upload that to the last page. People tend to do that because it helps with getting feedback from people. So that's a little overview of the TutorMeet Practice. Hope that this was helpful, and that's all. Thank you guys.